Boys, what's going on? Before we watch this video that you guys are about to watch right now, this is a little update for next video. I'm in a hotel room right now, boys. I drove to a random town like 3 hours from home so I could get the footage that I really want to, which is going out in public and not getting kicked out and banned from places I'm already banned at, and then hopefully not arrested. So look out for those videos, boys. This video was on backlog because I just spent, you know, the day driving, so enjoy. Just look out for tomorrow's video and the next, man. It's crazy. Back in action. We're back in the action, boys. Hey, man, so this is gonna be fun. I want to explain why real quick. Y'all might see on this channel that I don't usually do sponsorships, and the reason because is you kind of want to keep like both parties happy, viewers and the sponsors. I don't dig it, bro, because sometimes these sponsors come up to me and I'm like, your product sucks, but you're giving me a lot of money, so I just say no. This one's a little different. It's sponsored, but not really. You guys have been telling me a lot that you guys want me to check out, one, this company, and two, the jewelry that they just sent me, which meant a no-brainer. I actually just hit them up and I was like, yo, send this, I'll do a review. Full transparency, boys, by the way, but this goes into my next thought. So I sent this for free. I just gotta put a link down below, which I'm fine with. I've had their jewelry before. It looks sick. But the good thing is there's no contract, boys. So if I see that this jewelry sucks, like, we're all gonna have a good time bashing it, you know what I mean? Hopefully that's not the case, but if it is the case, then it is what it is. You're getting a free NameBran video, so fuck off! It's not how you get sponsors in the future, boys. I just want to keep it real with y'all, man. First off, gold chain giveaway. Obviously, I'm looking for it right now. I can't find it anywhere. Free solid gold rope chain for 500 thumbs up within the day. Just comment down below, thumbs up. Instagram is right here. Message me when you did it. That's how you win. Alright, man, so long story short, the thing that you guys have been waiting for a lot, there's this new little baby chain that, I'm just opening this up now. Sorry, I didn't show you it. There's this new little baby chain that's going around that companies are making, bro. Now, you can get this for 135 bucks. I just checked. You want it, links down below. I don't need to say any of this from Hello Ice. You should probably see that. I mean, I gotta give them something, right? But it's this little baby piece. Now, it got me intrigued to do this video with them for two reasons. I saw one video. I look at jewelry videos here and there, see who I'm trying to work with in the community, and I saw somebody's Hello Ice jewelry pass a diamond tester. So that was one thing. They don't claim it on their website that this is gonna pass, nor should it, you know what I mean? But it passed theirs, apparently. I kind of skimmed through the video. They said it passed. I'm gonna check that, but also, this is a piece that we have not unboxed yet. You guys know I love to do like the fake pendants that actual rappers own, but like unboxing, you know what I mean? For you big ass fans out there that just want to have a piece of the same rapper, you know what I mean? So we're gonna do, oh, okay, wow. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. This is massive. I knew right off the bat, I had it in my head, like, if it's really small for the price of $130, I'm gonna call them out on it. I'm now pleasantly surprised because usually you're gonna get a piece this big when they're actual ones like this big. Anyway, we're dealing with the piece of like, oh my god! We're dealing with freaking little baby's new 4 pockets full jean shorts, kind of weird pendant. Now, this is a testament to Hello Ice, actually. I'm not gonna lie, I wanted to come in this with some constructive criticism, and the first one that I had, holy shit, this is nice. Boys, holy crap. See, now I should have asked for money for this video. I'm just giving them a good review. We live and we learn, right? So you guys have been asking me non-stop. I guess everyone's a fan of Little Baby, and I don't want to put it out there, but I will. I'm not a massive fan. I'm sorry, man. It's just not my style. I like that old school Brooklyn rap, you know, pro-era, Joey Badass, Nick Caution type stuff. You know what I mean? Big Pun, Wu-Tang Clan. Just like that old school boom bop type stuff too. I really dig. But boys, holy crap. It's immaculate. It shines super nice. 4 pockets full. I mean, I don't know what you really want me to say more about it, so we're gonna bring up the diamond tester. Like I said, I saw some kid doing a video where it passed his. Now, I will say right off the bat, is this dead? Oh, you're a fucking idiot. Oh no, it's alive. Okay, so I will say right off the bat, this is 20 bucks off Amazon. If it passes, I'm not saying it's actually going to, actually I don't even think this is gonna pass. There's no way. But if it does, for some reason, I always gotta put this out there so I don't get sued. It might be just the diamond tester. We had a $500 one that I still need to rebuy, but I got mad in a video and I smashed it. So who knows, if it does pass, it passes. If not, it's not. But bro, this is so sick. This might be one of the best, just copies off of a rapper's chain I've seen, to be honest, guys. Now, let me constructively criticize them real quick. Hollow. Didn't need to be that way. But if it wasn't hollow, I guess it would cost more money. Diamonds don't sparkle enough. Fuck you, Hello Ice. But they do. I don't know what to say. I really want to keep it real with you guys, but keeping it real means this is just a nice piece for the price if you want that around your neck. Anyway, let's diamond test this thing. We've got tons of plans this next week, bro. This one's literally just putting it out there for all you guys that told me to check out Hello Eyes and all you guys that told me to check out this piece in particular. Trying to get to the point in this video. Sorry, I love to talk. Yeah, she's all heated up. Let's go right now. And I'm trying to pick a bit. You guys know I'm shaky as a mother effer, bro. Okay, so that's hitting metal. The reason we do this, boys, because I know you like to fake flex. It's fine. If you need to fake flex, that's so cool. That's cool, man. You know, do your thing. If that makes you get higher up in your rap crew or, you know, you feel better about it, no worry. Okay, so there's nothing there. Yeah, see, I already knew. We're going to give it like a couple more tests. 6 ICO me money, please. No, it's not. Oh, bad. That's not even the right brand. Otherwise, please give me money. I'm skeptical, but you guys just heard that it did pass mine. I don't know as it should, or else they'd be telling you on the website that it's gonna pass. But regardless, man, here's just a little baby. No, that's crazy, bro. I just don't want to steer you the wrong way because I really don't trust those $20 frickin' diamond testers. But that hit once out of like, I'm not gonna lie, I'll probably cut a lot out of like 10 tries maybe. Here we go, boys. That's your little review. If you're a huge fan of Little Baby, I guess Hello Eyes, honestly. I mean, they come with cool packaging. It's a massive piece for 130 bucks. Does it cost them that much to make? Obviously not. They're trying to make money, you know what I mean? Could they probably sell it to you for like 80? Probably. I don't know why that passed. Now I'm just freaking out about that. That's freaking awesome. There, we got a title for sure. I mean, anyway, go check them out if you want to. Links down below. Boys, we got crazy public stuff coming really soon. I'm working out with a few people that haven't been banned with me yet in these places, and some people are down to film with me, and if I get rebanned, I'm get rebanned. I mean, frig it. Cops aren't gonna come if they just call about somebody filming in there. If they do, I don't care. I get more vlog. Appreciate y'all. Wow. I hope you like this.